Dear student, welcome to third semester. Myself Vivek Suresh Jede. Today we will introduce the BSc third year semester biochemistry syllabus. Paper 1 Macromolecules. In paper 1 unit 1, that is related with proteins, we will study the amino acid physicochemical properties of amino acids, its reactions, and some unusual amino acids. Also, we will discuss the primary structure of protein, peptide mapping by Meriford and Gert synthesis, etc. In Unit 2, which is also related with the protein, we will discuss the secondary structure of protein. In that, we will see helix and plated structure. Also, we discuss the tertiary structure of the protein, forces that stabilizes the tertiary structure of the protein. Then we will discuss the concept of domain, protein denaturation, etc. Also, we will discuss the quaternary structure of the protein and subunit interaction. In this unit, we will also see the structure and biological function of biologically important protein, that is collagen. Unit 3 is related with nucleic acid. In this unit, we will discuss chemical structure and base composition of the nucleic acid, Chargaff's rules, double helical structure of DNA, Watson and Crick model of DNA, and other DNA structures. Also, we will discuss the forces which stabilizes the nucleic acid structure, denaturation and renaturation concept, base stacking, base pairing, hydrophobic and ionic interaction, etc. In Unit 4, we will also discuss the nucleic acid with TM and Bion's density and its relation to GC content in DNA, some satellite DNA structures, then DNA sequencing with maximum Gilbert method, and also Sanger's dideoxy nucleotide sequencing method. In this unit, we also discuss the structure of mRNA, rRNA, and tRNA. Paper 2nd Biophysical Techniques 1. In this paper, unit number 1 is related with spectrophotometry. In this unit, we will go through the concept of electromagnetic radiation, spectrum, absorption of electromagnetic radiation, orbital theory, concept of orbitals and their involvement in absorption of electromagnetic radiation, concept of chromophore, Beer's law and its derivation and deviation, extinction coefficient concept, etc. In this unit, we will also discuss in detail about the instrumentation and applications of UV and visible spectrophotometry. Unit 2nd is related with spectrophotometry, buffers and pH. In this unit, we will discuss spectrofluorometry, absorption and emission of flame photometry. And in another section we will discuss about buffers and pH. In this topic, we will discuss buffer capacity, mechanism of buffer action, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, isoelectric pH, biophysical and biochemically important buffers, titration curve of buffers, and titration curve of weak acid, titration curve of amino acids. In this unit, we will also discuss the electromeric determination of the pH with the help of hydrogen, calomel, and combined glass electrodes. Unit number 3 is related with chromatography. In this unit, we will discuss partition principle, partition coefficient, nature of partition forces, detailed account of paper, thin layer, and column chromatography, then gel filtration chromatography with concept of distribution coefficient, types of gel, gel beads and its application. Unit number 4 is also related with chromatography. In this unit, we will discuss ion exchange chromatography, its principal, types of resin, choice of buffers and its application. In another topic, we will discuss affinity chromatography, principal sections of selection of ligand, ligand attachment, specific, non-specific ligation, and applications of affinity chromatography. In this unit, we will also discuss in detail high pressure liquid chromatography and gas chromatography. Dear friends, here are some reference books for you. Paper number 1, macromolecules. You will refer, you will able to refer Leininger's biochemistry, biochemistry by Stryer, fundamentals of biochemistry by J.L. Jain, biochemistry by U. Satyanarayana, and Harper's biochemistry. For paper number 2, biophysical chemistry, you can refer Leininger's biochemistry. Second, biochemistry by Stryer. Third, biophysical chemistry by Upadhyay and Nath. Fourth, biophysics by David Freifelder and biochemistry by U. Satyanarayana. I strongly recommend you for this paper, that is biophysical chemistry by Upadhyay and Nath and biophysics by David Freifelder. Thank you. Suggestions regarding these lectures are appreciated. Thank you.